so I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for my eyeshadow today, and I'm gonna match my baby. So I'm gonna do some rainbow cheetah print somehow on my eye look, so just stay tuned to see how I do that. Okay, I did my face, my hair, everything just all off camera. So I already have my brush loaded up with this primer from Temu. This is just an eye primer. I just plan on doing a neutral eye look, and then I'm going to put some rainbow cheetah print around it to kind of spice it up. So you just put this all over your lid and kind of keep patting it on until it's a little bit tacky. Make sure you really pat out the edges too, almost further than you would do the eyeshadow, because this will just allow for a more seamless blend. It'll give me 10 minutes to find a neutral eyeshadow palette because all of mine are rainbow. So I found this contour palette by Tarte. I'm mixing this brown with this brown, and I'm just going to put that all over. And I don't want anything fancy, I just want a brown neutral eyeshadow look. So just blend this all over your lid, kind of diffuse the edges. This isn't applying the best for me. It's sitting weird in different spots, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just taking these lighter shades and blending out the edges. Since shimmer can pretty much fix anything, I'm just going to apply this shimmer right here all over. The palette I'll be using from Cosmic Brushes, I'm going to take this pink shade called Marshmallow, and as you can see I already pressed it right here. Now for the actual cheetah print, so I just have this white primer. You can use a white concealer, white primer, or you can even use face paint. You just put random little blobs. They don't have to all be the same size. Actually try to make them different sizes all over where you want the cheetah print. They can be messy because you're going to be putting eyeshadow and eyeliner on top of this, but this is kind of what I got. I wanted bigger cheetah print today. Next, you just want to take a dense brush and just pack your colors on. I'm going to show you this in 3 times speed so we can actually finish this video. So here's what we have so far. And right now they just look like little blobs, but wait until I put the black eyeliner on. It's going to look great. You can use a really fine tip black eyeliner, a pen I recommend, or a water activated eyeliner with a thin brush. I've done both and it works out really well. All you want to do is go on the sides of all of these and draw little lines in different directions. Kind of just like that. So here I am just outlining the edges. Just go in different ways. Don't connect it the whole way around. Just draw 2 outlines on opposite sides. Just like that. Just added some random squiggles and polka dots. Let me just show you the rest of the look. Here you go. Here's the look. Baby's sleeping, so I can't show you her with the eyeshadow, but here you go.